where to put your money when saving. I'm going to go in the order of where to start. So the first thing is to create an emergency fund. Somewhere between 3 to 6 months of expenses should be good. Second, pay off your high interest debt. The third bucket, put your money into a 401k plan, at least up to the amount that the employer is willing to match. The next bucket would be your Roth IRA. The growth on your contributions, if you keep your funds there, will be tax-free. The next bucket is to max out a health savings account, especially if you have a high deductible plan. There are 3 benefits. It's deductible from your income, the investments in this account grows tax-free, and the withdrawals from your HSA are 100% tax-free. The 6th bucket, if your company offers it, would be to put money towards an employee stock purchase plan. Participating employees can buy company shares at a discounted price. Keep in mind, I would only do this if you have faith in the company's future stock price. Subscribe to my channel for more money and travel tips.